So I'll be showing you how to use manual mode in the camera of your Samsung Galaxy S24. So the first thing you want to do is launch the camera, and with the camera app launched, come down here and tap on more. And that's going to give you more options. And so one of the options is Pro, and that's Pro for photo mode, and then you also have Pro video. Okay, so for photos, you go into Pro, and that opens the camera viewfinder. Okay, and of course you have things like ISO or shutter speed, focus, white balance, all that stuff. And currently by default they're in automatic, but then of course you can change all this stuff manually and lock them the way you want. Okay, just do, you have the focus. You can focus at the center of the frame. You can choose a different focus point, or you can even set the focus to manual and just either focus like that. Okay, so you have all these controls at your disposal when you're using the camera in manual mode, also known as Pro mode on the Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.